So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu. Scroll down and search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Now tap on network and internet. Tap on mobile network. Select the network type. Now scroll a little bit and tap on advanced. Tap on preferred network type. Select 4G/3G/2G or 2. After doing this, go back to your phone settings again, and when you get back to your phone settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on apps and notifications. Wait for it to load. After loading, tap on the see all apps. Wait for it to load. So now when you get over here, tap on the search apps at the top. Tap on it again. Tap on Reddit. So when you type in red, you're going to see Reddit. Tap on it to open it. And when you tap on it to open it, you're going to see that you're going to be in the app info of Reddit. Now tap on full stop, tap on OK. After that, tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification and all notification down below it is on. After that, go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again. So when you get to your phone menu, just try to search in for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it, and when you open it, just try to search for Reddit. So when you search for Reddit, tap on it, and after that, what you have to do is to check in for more updates. So you have to check over here. When they've written update over there, just tap on the update. When they've written open, just leave it like that. Then after that, go back to your phone menu and tap on your power button for some while. Tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.